Hey there, it's Eileen Reed, Simplify with Eileen Organizing. Wanted to chat with you a little bit about what I run into a lot with my clients, which is they're trying to decide whether to keep or let go of something that somebody made for them or gave to them. And I get it, there's sentimental association with that, but oftentimes I find that my clients don't even like the item. Maybe it's some scratchy, rust-colored hat that their aunt knitted for them, or maybe it's some crazy colored frame that just isn't their style or color, but they hold on to them because someone gave it to them. What I'd like to suggest is that we look at things in terms of what the intention was behind the gift, how you felt when you received it, the sentiment, the gesture. Those are the things that really matter. It's never the thing that matters. So if you have something that somebody gave to you and you appreciate that they gave it to you, but you don't like the thing at all, please donate it. Give it to somebody who will use it. Because even if the item is out of your life, that sentiment, gesture, intention, that never leaves. So I hope this tip has helped. For more tips, check out my Facebook page, Simplify with Eileen, or website, Simplify with Eileen. And I hope to see you back again soon. Simplify with Eileen, your life simplified. Thanks.